technology is a standalone equipment located in front of the mill and which allows to change all type of rolls any day, anytime. Fives is the only one in the market providing such a solution to change all the rolls with one single equipment.
The RollBot is designed for 20 high rolling mills, processing stainless, electrical or carbon steels. The RollBot technology can be installed on new rolling mills, as well as easily implemented on existing ones worldwide.
While discussing with our customers worldwide, we noticed two main features where they were looking for. The first one was about safety. Safety for the operators while handling the tools and while handling also the rolls with the very heavy backup rolls.
Changing of rolls remains a particularly critical operation when you have to manipulate rolls which weighs nearly 1 ton.
The second feature they were looking for was efficiency of all the surroundings equipments which are currently needed to do those changes. For example, the EOT crane, which is required for the heavy rolls.
It's a complete automatic system which guarantees the change of roll without operator.
It's an innovative solution because the changing of rolls remains a complicated operation which requires the work of several operators.
The main innovative feature of the RollBot is the 90 degrees turning head. It allows the RollBot to pick a cylinder from the pallet and load it inside the mill.
Safety first, it remains the main criteria to opt for this technology.
RollBot technology allows remote handling of the rolls by the operator and therefore prevents human risks.
The RollBot is avoiding manual operations, therefore it's improving considerably the surface quality of the final product.
RollBot is a smart solution.
RollBot avoids human interventions, ensures the repeatability of operations, and so increase the overall efficiency.
The RollBot is a real game changer for steel makers in their day-to-day operation.